a proper breakdown analysis or tactical board no so on Kotoko game on the on Sunday and of course Good Stars game and so on the but Rich see Coach Didi Dramani and Statiligre, it was a draw at home.
United
and a newly promoted side, the same style like it is as for a struggle newly promoted side the Coco see, and they went away from home. Mind you, on Friday, Abrana has a phone echo. Your friend is saying the new Kraku Astro Tefno boss game no against Dreams no. All of us sounded a warning bells. Ekache Coach Didi Dramani says one shot against Dreams are problems beba. Now he is going to be under a lot of pressure. Obo will say after he has a phone now, will begin to ask questions of him and says, "Massa, Bono, untimi mo, you are not doing well as a coach." Meaning, Sena, Pato, Monia, they will ask questions of him. Ebony Mo begins to ask questions of him. Say, "Massa, Ejumanu metimi ayana." Which and it was against the dream side that all of us were saying that Patrick Dorman was doing a good job. It was an expectedly delivered game. In fact, so who should game even regularly? Watch it again. The job of us for goalkeeper Benjamin Asare as say dreams for ne babe presia has for no amoboni bonu. They decide to play from the back and exploit the space of dreams. After the game, we spoke about the importance of Abante friend Hussein in that hearts team and in the quality across board. Me catch say or decided say game no kwakobona away from home. On ball pan frane. He was going to go into the game without a pan frane. No about Karimu on Fiifi. And it was much more physical and has got a job done. They are staying at home to play against team and friend of 11 Wonders. Rich, in the history of the Ghana Premier League, so has a buffia. If it is teams that are traveling to come home last season, you catch us say they struggle when they play at home.
And at the other said
yeah, but in all of that, Rich, the deeper analysis, say, but almost against sides that are from that side of the country, Bono side, Nebana has a comfortable. Omunya results no fee. Generally, they don't do too well at home. But the ones when teams are coming from that side of the country, the northern side, the northern belt of Ghana, no, has a team no bow fee. And Ochina against team, your friend, Techima 11 Wonders. Wonders at the 15th position. Accra so folk our 4th position. And also the first 2 games of Techima 11 Wonders, on winning match of Akokra. On winning even a single match of Ghana Premier League game. 1 draw, 1 loss. And it tells you that Hearts of Folk, if they do their things well, where your match, I want you 3 points at 2. Oh, but on a Friday night, what you 2 of them? Then you sit down through the weekend, Kotoko was standing game, BBN Gold Stars was standing game, Samantes was way, Obia will say, you get your 3 points and then you go into it. And I think that Coach Didi Dramani wait my Jumano. Last week, Lions set Snefi out of one the set Snefi out of Lions Koshen 1-0. The week before the opener, Okwa away to Basaka Holy Stars Okobo 0-0. So it's important. Now, it comes down to how Coach Didi Dramani will approach the game against Wonders. Because Wonders, when you took one person, ball back 5 and now back 3. Normal Kajum. That is why when they went away to Basaka, 0-0 they buy. But how will you play against them to break them down? Because the last time they made it difficult for us to break them down. And like I've told you, in the 2 games of boy now, assistant the holding midfielder, or apart from the first one, and the second one of Karim. So who is he going to play? Will Hussein also start in this game? Because I think he should. From the off, Ombano. Naso Betimia, Ombano natural wingers Nibi, Mauli Waremo, to stretch the play because Obi boy in the back 5 Unya players in Sia and Enum in the last line. Now they are picking up pockets, no one goes no F1 because Osha has a 4 game one boy against United or Benjamin Asare, Abdul Karim, SSCB, Subontain, Befi, Duku, Hussein, Ebemu, Kakari, Mensah, and of course, Obo David Opanfrane at the starting lineup. But when you go to the Dreams FC game, no boy, now, Rich, there were a lot of changes. It was in the second half, and Opanfrane by our and it tells you say Hearts needs to make some more changes and then impose themselves in the match, which I think is a Hearts beshe.
You know the confidence.
We are confident, and after the 2 games now, especially the one after Dreams, are they confident?
3220 A3581 A3582 A3583. Yam famo kakra na yen sign ento adwumade no so emfa ma me hwese manya me first caller. Awo eye angoma no so. Hello.
Well, John.
Yes sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Now, eh?
Nyame adom.
Oh, man, now to my shop.
Oh, yebeshe.
In some of the magic league in a year.
Aye, yeah, but yeah, yebetche bi as na say. Born ye humbo.
Okay.